Now the first topic, anemia of chapter 5, red blood cell disorders. Anemia means reduction in circulating red blood cell mass. Clinical presentation include weakness, fatigue, dyspnea, pale conjunctiva, skin, head and headache and lightheadedness, angina, especially with pre-existing coronary artery disease. Hemoglobin, hematocrit, and RBC are used as a surrogate for RBC mass, which is difficult to measure. Anemia is defined as Hb less than 13.5 gram per deciliter in male, while in female less than 12.5 gram per deciliter. Normal Hb level is 13.5 to 17.5 gram per deciliter in male, while in female is 12.5 to 16.5 gram per deciliter. Based on mean corpuscular volume (MCV), anemia can be classified as microcytic anemia, normocytic anemia, and macrocytic anemia. In microcytic anemia, MCV is less than 80 cubic micrometer, while in normocytic anemia, MCV is 80 to 100 cubic micrometer, while in macrocytic anemia, MCV is more than 100 cubic micrometer. Now, what is MCV? MCV stands for mean corpuscular volume. MCV gives idea about the size of RBC. It is the average volume of red blood cell. MCV is the average volume of red blood cells. Next topic is microcytic anemia. Microcytic anemia means anemia with MCV less than 80 cubic micrometer. Microcytic anemia are due to decreased production of hemoglobin. RBC progenitor cells in the bone marrow are large and normally divide multiple times to produce mature RBC cells. MCV 80 to 100 cubic micrometer. Microcytosis is due to an extra division which occurs to maintain hemoglobin concentration. RBC progenitor cells are those cells that give rise to RBC, also called erythroid precursor cell or myeloid progenitor cell that give rise to mature RBC. Due to decreased production of hemoglobin, the erythroblast undergoes one extra division in order to maintain the concentration of hemoglobin inside the RBC. So in this way the resultant RBC size less than the normal RBC. As we know that hemoglobin is made of heme and globin, while heme is composed of iron and protoporphyrin. A decrease in any of these components leads to microcytic anemia. Microcytic anemia further classified into the following types: iron deficiency anemia, anemia of chronic disease, sideroblastic anemia, and thalassemia. Sideroblastic anemia. Iron deficiency anemia, as the name indicates, due to decreased level of iron. Decreased level of iron result in decreased production of heme. Due to decreased level of heme, it will result in decreased level of hemoglobin, and when there is decreased level of hemoglobin, it will result in microcytic anemia. Most common type of anemia. Lack of iron is the most common nutritional deficiency in the world. Iron is consumed in two forms: heme iron found in animal, while non-heme iron found in plant foods. Absorption occurs in the duodenum. Enterocytes have heme and non-heme transporter. The heme form is more readily absorbed. Enterocytes transport iron across the cell membrane into the blood through ferrotin channel or transporter. Transferrin transport iron in the blood and delivers it to the liver and bone marrow macrophages for storage. Stored iron is bound to ferritin, which prevents iron from formation of free radicals through Fenton reactions. Laboratory measurement of iron status. Serum iron measure the oil of iron in the blood. Total iron binding capacity measure of a transferrin molecule in the blood, whether transferrin bound to iron or not. Percentage saturation, percentage of transferrin molecules that are bound by iron. Normal percentage saturation is 33%. Serum ferritin reflects iron stores in macrophages in the liver. Iron deficiency mostly result by dietary lack or blood loss. In infant breastfeeding, human milk is low in iron, children poor diet, adults peptic ulcer disease in male and menorrhagia or pregnancy in female, elderly colon polyps, carcinoma or hookworm infestation. Other causes include malnutrition, malabsorption, gastrectomy. Gastric acid aids iron absorption by maintaining the iron in Fe2 state. It should be noted that Fe2 state is more readily absorbed than Fe plus 3. Stages of iron deficiency. Storage iron is depleted. Ferritin is the storage iron, so it will be depleted. Decrease ferritin level and increase total iron binding capacity. Decrease serum iron and decrease percentage saturation. Normocytic anemia, bone marrow makes fewer but normal site RBC. Microcytic hypochromic anemia, bone marrow makes smaller and fewer RBC. Clinical feature includes anemia and chylonychia. Chylonychia means spoon-shaped nail. Pica. Laboratory finding includes microcytic hypochromic RBC with increased red blood cell distribution width. Here the RDW or red blood cell distribution width describes the variation in size and volume of RBC in a sample. The normal RDW for adult female is 11.9 to 15.5%, while for adult male is 11.8 to 15.6%. In decreased ferritin, increased total iron binding capacity, decreased serum iron, decreased percentage saturation, and increased free erythrocyte protoporphyrin. Treatment is supplemental iron or ferrous sulfate. Plummer-Vinson syndrome is iron deficiency anemia with esophageal web, atrophic glossitis, present as anemia, dysphagia, and beefy red tongue. How to differentiate iron deficiency anemia from anemia of chronic disease? In iron deficiency anemia, there is low iron, low ferritin, and high total iron binding capacity, while in anemia of chronic disease, there is low iron, high ferritin, and low total iron binding capacity. Anemia of chronic disease. Anemia is associated with chronic inflammation such as endocarditis or autoimmune conditions or cancer. Common type of anemia is in hospitalized patient. Chronic disease results in production of acute phase reactant from the liver, which is include hepcidin. Hepcidin sequesters iron in storage site. Some of the consequences of hepcidin sequestering iron in storage sites and their complications include limiting iron transfer from macrophages to erythroid precursor cell, suppressing erythropoietin production. Aims to prevent bacteria from accessing iron, which is necessary for their survival. Decrease availability iron, decrease heme production, decrease hemoglobin, and result in microcytic anemia. Laboratory finding includes increase ferritin level, decrease total iron binding capacity, decrease serum iron, and decrease percentage saturation, increase free erythrocyte protoporphyrin level. Treatment involved treating the underlying cause.